I want to show you how to use the limit concept, and I want to solve this question. For the function gx graphed here, find the following limits or explain why they don't exist. Part A is saying that limit of gx when x approaches 1. So as you see here, doesn't exist. Why? As x approaches 1 from the left, gx will be equal, gx approaches 1. And when gx approaches 1 from the right, when x approaches 1 from the right, gx approaches 0. So from the left, gx approaches 1, and from the right, gx approaches 0. So we have two different numbers from right and left, so limit doesn't exist. So there is no single number, and we say there is no limit. For part B, limit of gx when x approaches 2. When x approaches 2 from the left hand side, gx approaches 1. And when x approaches 2 from the right hand side, gx approaches 1 as well. So we can say that the limit exists and it will be equal to 1. And then here, part C, we have limit of gx when x approaches 3. As you see here, when x approaches to 3, gx approaches 0. And when x approaches 3 from the right hand side, gx approaches 0 as well. So from the right hand side and from the left hand side, gx will approach 0. So we can say the limit exists and it will be equal to 0. And see this one, note that the value of the function, value of the gx at x equals to 3 will be equal to 1. But the limit equals to 0 because from the right hand side and from the left hand side, both of them, gx will approach 0.